I was an investigator for several of the different companies that have been looking at anti-amyloid monoclonal antibodies. And I think, again, they are tremendous agents in their ability to remove plaque. And I think that is, again, one of the hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease, to have amyloid plaque. I'm not completely convinced that it's ever going to be a drug on its own that is a standalone for Alzheimer's disease, because I think we've already shown that even with complete removal of plaque in some people, that it doesn't change their clinical state substantially. But on the whole, I think these drugs have a big place in the future of the care of Alzheimer's disease for those people who are able to be known to have positive amyloid, either on an amyloid PET scan or through cerebrospinal fluid, or potentially with FDA approval of a plasma biomarker. So we are hoping and actually talking with some of the companies about doing a sequential study where people would be on an anti-amyloid to remove the plaque, and then patients could take our drug as well or sequentially to potentially do what our drug does on top of the benefits already seen from the anti-amyloid products. The hope would be someday that we could work on the amyloid process without having it to be an injectable or something that would cause the ARIA or complications and expense that go along with the monoclonals that have already been introduced. But that's certainly more speculation at this point, since they're still in research. Again, our product, AR-1001, does reduce A-beta 42. So I think it's, again, one of those agents. It's not the primary target, but we were able to show that. And again, that's something we'll be testing again in both CSF and plasma in our phase 3 trial as well.